fake burger na ya twa no fe na bre na so se yeyi wo bedi de TV e wo YouTube so fake burger
fibi bi ni yenti nka yenti kutamenti jami sabe mpenimfo se e wo bi na wiye bi na so du poke sisi efo so a yenya tutu du asawa yesi de bada defo
Aram se mo masonte sa omo de hie no onwi hey ti no ojine ni
Italian magalie Italian magalie ama me da dia mtikula no esa won sa se chichiri bo so chichiri sa ne so a edu odo podie pati anya kwa center na obanye bi anya fa na mko
ya ko iho okonfo de geta
ya monko we no de geta ho na mko ya ke ko no
ke ni ebeko
asofo abu ya ene ba bi ya to nkoko ni nyama nje wuri ohun asofo abayi wo me ko fo jape what do you mean
esuma bufu
me nche obufu ahu etie mie mwana me se obufu emie mwana
numere we die be hia ba ha enya bone sebi mpemfo se efi abe kekwan akọ na be nya kwan akọ no be kokwa awade
oba be na
me die Belinda
me die ne sawa
ana sewa
oba tuntun na ana
next house sit down enye fia ha
haya
gabi next house
Mpese ebe ya ade bi say ye boss wo akwatena brochire 35 years. I mean, Sam Kasa no mpe o Ghana. Sika bi
for an address of Mississippi Assembly.
Municipal assemblies.
Hey,
Assemblies of God.
I'm not talking to you.
Okay. You need to talk to yourself.
Hey, put it inside the bag and give it to me. Are you fooling? Give it to me. Put it onto my leg. Run out.
Guys, lucky you came. I would have blown his head off
don't
right now.
blow his head. Oh, Ade.
I told you, don't ever say any word again to me.
Okay.
You're confusing me.
Tell him to calm down.
After this house, you go forward.
Okay.
When you man walk up, the little bit, then
On the left.
that's it. I want to walk up.
Hey, what come on? Huh? I say go today.
He's fighting who? Is it for you?
No.
So,
Why? Please, he told me that I should hold it for him.
I didn't say anything. Please, I don't know you.
Okay.
I don't know you.
Oh, he told me, he said, somebody come and thief him.
is everything intact?
Yeah, everything contact him.
Okay, then.
Thank
Go.
you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Officer.
Come here.
He said,
Are you a soldier man?
yes, I'm an army soldier.
Which station are you?
Oh, I come from Santasi Station.
Fantastic station. Where's your ID card?
ID card.
Yeah.
Oh, at home.
Your number?
My number?
Yeah.
0248 92.
So you are using MTN as a
Yes, I'm telling you.
soldier identity.
Say you write me my number.
12 million.
Meba. Oh, Ade, meba. Let you in faka. Mo wani nye. Yo, asi obi a no problem bo mo a. What you am bo house.
Check Kofi. For the last time, I'm about to have a warning. What thing? Aden, Air Force. Air Force. Aden. What's that about? I'm assuming.